Welcome. We're going to unpack easyJet's latest blockbuster results and figure out what they really signal for the airline's future. Okay, let's just dive right in. With the big headline number, for the third quarter of 2025, easyJet posted a massive £286 million in profit before tax. I mean, that is a seriously strong performance. And to put that number into perspective for you, it's a huge 21.2% increase from the exact same time last year. That's a £50 million improvement. So the crucial question is, how on earth did they pull that off? To answer that, let's start with the part of the business that everybody knows, the airline itself. You know, the planes, the passengers, the actual nuts and bolts of getting you from A to B. So the core numbers here just show incredibly healthy, resilient demand. They flew more people than before, and they improved their load factor, which is just a fancy way of saying how full their planes are. This all points to a really solid operational foundation. And check this out. This slide really shows their intense focus on just getting the job done right. They didn't just fly more people, they did it better. On-time performance and customer satisfaction both jumped by a significant 4 percentage points. Believe me, that is not easy to do while you're growing.
But here's the twist. As impressive as all that airline performance is, it's not the whole story. It's not even the most exciting part of the story, not by a long shot.
So where is all this incredible growth really coming from? You know, if the core airline is the engine, what's the rocket booster that's strapped to the side?
Well, this slide pretty much lays it all out. While the normal passenger and extra revenue grew at a really healthy rate, one segment, easyJet Holidays, just completely blows the others out of the water, with over 27% growth. Wow. And there you have it. This is it. Their package holidays business is absolutely firing on all cylinders. This is not just some little add-on anymore. It has become a core pillar of their profitability.
And the numbers, they're just staggering. The holidays division delivered £86 million in profit all on its own, with its revenue soaring by over 27%. And on top of all that, customers are loving it, with satisfaction scores hitting 83%.
Now, this kind of incredible growth doesn't just happen in a vacuum, right? It's all built on a really solid financial foundation, and that starts with being incredibly smart about managing costs.
This simple chart really shows you the core of their profitability. For every single seat they fly, they're making almost £7 more in revenue than it costs them to operate it. That gap you see right there, that's where the magic happens.
And for all you airline nerds out there, this efficiency is reflected in an improvement in their CASK, that's their cost per available seat kilometre. So even with inflation pushing other costs up, they actually got slightly cheaper on this key metric. That is seriously impressive stuff.
So what's the crucial point here? Well, all this profitability means they are building a massive war chest. They have a cash buffer of almost £5 billion, which gives them incredible flexibility for whatever comes next, whether that's new opportunities or new challenges.
Okay, so what does all this success actually mean for the company's long-term ambitions? You've got the strong airline, the booming holidays business, and this big pile of cash. Where are they headed?
Well, it puts them firmly on track for their ultimate goal, their Mount Everest, to become a company delivering over £1 billion in annual profit. And as you can see, since they first set that target, they are already almost halfway there.
And the holidays division is basically the supercharger for this whole ambition. It's been so successful, it already blew right past its long-term profit target. So what did management do? They nearly doubled the goal. That just shows you the incredible level of confidence they have in this part of the business.
So why does any of this matter to you? Well, because it points to a company that's not just surviving in a really tough industry, but is actually thriving. It's financially strong, which allows it to reinvest in making your experience better, all while it's growing this high-value holiday business right alongside its core airline. And all that leaves us with the big question for the future. The airline industry is always turbulent, we all know that. But with its holidays division now acting as a powerful new engine, easyJet seems better equipped than ever to navigate whatever storms come its way, and maybe, just maybe, reach that incredible £1 billion destination.